Hi, this is Dr. Josh Bross of Elite Chiropractic and Sport. I want to show you some quick exercises you can do with the foam roll to help with posture, help with mid-back, low back, shoulder pain. Works really well, and you can do it in your office, you can do it at home, really you can do it anywhere. So, simple. Here's your foam roll. We're going to start with the low back. So I basically push it right up to the lower back. I'm going to roll on it. I like to hold the back of my legs. If you have a strong core, you can do this, but a lot of times it's easier if you hold the back of your legs. And then simply, not a big area, I'm going to use my feet to push my body back and forth over the foam roll. So I'm not doing this, I'm sliding back and forth. Try to relax your back as much as you can. It should feel pretty good. Might be a little sore if you have any tightness or issues there. Then what I'm going to do is move down a little bit to get the more middle of my back, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. And then after I do that, we'll talk about time in a second. I'm going to slide to my upper back. I'm now going to have my hands in the back of my head so I don't strain my neck. I'm going to lift up with my butt, controlling with my feet, and I'm going to roll between my shoulder blades. This is usually the one that feels the best. And this is going to help with a lot of shoulder and neck issues from sitting at the computer, from looking down, from stress. And then lastly, if you want to do a little extra area, you can actually put the foam roll right here in your neck like a pillow. Then I'm going to put my hands on my head, I'm going to lift my butt up, and I'm going to roll over the foam roll like this. And it's a way to get into your neck and foam roll the muscles in your neck and kind of mobilize or move the joints in your neck as well. And this is also really good for posture. So that's how you do the very basic foam roll exercises. You don't need to spend more than 2 minutes a day doing these. You can do them a couple times a day if you need to. 30 seconds each area, 20 seconds each area, as much as you need to. Thank you.